one more look at it. I mean, this is what happens if you step out into it.
And we can hear it too.
And as Anthony was saying, it's hard to stand. It's hard to stand. You hear the sand. That's what's painful. The sand coming off the ocean now, hitting our faces when we're out there.
Let me go put on
That's the difference.
loungewear.
Phil, you won't be surprised to hear this. You won't be surprised to hear this, but Atlantic City has now has a 6 to 6 curfew. No one is allowed on the streets from 6 p.m. to 6
She
a.m.
is loving this leaf.
As you can see, no one's on your boardwalk.
Is she eating it?
Yeah, don't eat that.
I'm gonna find her a